Welcome! I'm Tony, and I'm your Pandora-AI presenter. Come along with me, exploring AI wonders. As we go along, learn from many educational tutorials towards understanding AI technologies. But first, watch this video as this is my first uploaded video, the unveiling of Pandora-AI YouTube channel. This video will help you like and understand what's all about Pandora-AI. I'm sure you will like it and find my channel as a way of learning. As we search the many wonders of AI, we will adapt ourselves to unlock the future, making a difference in our daily lives. So, now, I am introducing to you a brief explanation of what Pandora-AI is all about. Now, let's go! Pandora-AI, your gateway to AI wonders. Captivating the world of new wonders, empowering knowledge of the modern world using artificial intelligence. This channel redefines your perception of AI and its boundless possibilities. I invite you to embark on a discovery, innovation, and enlightenment journey in this digital realm. Pandora-AI unveils the future. Imagine unlocking the secrets of neural networks, delving into the intricacies of machine learning algorithms, and witnessing the evolution of AI-driven technologies shaping industries and societies worldwide. Each video unravels the enigma of artificial intelligence. Now, I'm unveiling to you the Pandora-AI promise. At Pandora-AI, we're committed to providing you with thought-provoking, enriching, and engaging content. From explanatory deep dives into AI concepts to exploring real-world applications, we aim to ensure that each video leaves you informed, inspired, and eager to learn more. We promise to make your time with us worthwhile, and your support fuels our dedication to delivering the best AI-related content. I'll explain to you why you should like our videos. Hitting that thumbs up button isn't just a casual action, it's an endorsement of quality content. By liking our videos, you're signaling that you appreciate the effort we pour into meticulous research, engaging visuals, and articulate narration. Your likes empower us to continue curating content that captivates your imagination, keeping you at the forefront of AI advancements. And thus, why should you share our videos? Sharing is caring, and it's also a catalyst for collective growth. When you share our videos, you're not just amplifying our reach, you're contributing to the diffusion of knowledge. AI has the potential to transform industries, bridge gaps, and revolutionize problem-solving. By sharing Pandora-AI's insights, you're igniting conversations that might spark collaborations, innovations, and paradigm shifts. Finally, subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to Pandora-AI isn't just about following a channel, it's about becoming an integral part of a community of curious minds. Subscribers gain exclusive access to the latest updates, early releases, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into our content creation process. By subscribing, you're joining forces with fellow enthusiasts who share your passion for unraveling the mysteries of AI. It's time, for now, to become an integral part of our growing community by hitting the coveted like, share, and subscribe buttons. Please also hit the notification bell, and you will get notified for our first AI content video. Thank you for your support and interest in this futuristic AI technology channel. The next video is coming. Please give thumbs up, guys, and again, remember to like, share and subscribe.